Subscribe to UK Daily News and press the bell icon to watch latest news and updates. Amber Heard demands new trial months after losing to Johnny Depp. Actress files 68-page appeal against $10 million defamation verdict claiming libel case was held in the wrong state and excluded bombshell therapy notes. The trial was held in Fairfax, Virginia, because that is where the Washington Post website houses its servers. Depp sued Heard in 2019 for $50 million over a Washington Post op-ed written under Heard's name in which he was accused of domestic abuse. Depp's attorneys have also filed an appeal of the $2 million he was ordered to pay Heard for a single count of defamation of which he was found guilty. Amber Heard has filed an appeal to the Virginia courts asking for a reversal of the decision or an entirely new trial in the sweeping defamation case against her ex-husband Johnny Depp, which she lost earlier this year. Heard filed her appeal last month and argued that the exclusion of some of her therapy notes, in which she reported being abused by Depp, resulted in an unfair trial. The notes were ruled out by Virginia Judge Penny Ascarate. In June, Depp was awarded $10.35 million in a verdict delivered after his legal team successfully argued that Heard's Washington Post op-ed, in which she accused her ex-husband of domestic abuse, was defamatory. Now, in a document dated to late November, Heard's attorneys write that the court improperly prevented the jury from considering several instances in which Heard reported Depp's abuse to a medical professional. If not reversed, the trial court's exclusion of contemporaneous reports of domestic abuse to medical professionals will make it more difficult for other abuse victims to prove allegations of abuse, and likely deter them from coming forward, they continued. That holding, if allowed to stand, undoubtedly will have a chilling effect on other women who wish to speak about abuse involving powerful men. This case also should never have gone to trial because another court had already concluded that Depp abused Heard on multiple occasions, wrote Heard's lawyers, referring to the United Kingdom High Court of Justice's ruling in a separate defamation suit brought by Depp that the Pirates of the Caribbean actor had abused his ex-wife. Her legal team, which comprises a different set of lawyers than those who represented her during the trial, also argued that the trial, which took place in Fairfax, Virginia, should have taken place in California, where the once married couple lived together. Virginia, where the Washington Post houses its servers, was an entirely inconvenient forum with no connection to Depp or any meaningful connection to his claims, reads the filing. Depp's legal team has also filed an appeal to the case, claiming that the singular count of defamation against Heard of which he was convicted was erroneous. His attorneys wrote in their filing, the jury's emphatic favorable verdict on all three defamatory statements alleged in his complaint fully vindicated Mr. Depp and restored his reputation. Both appeal requests will be ruled on by a group of judges. Depending on which legal team is left disappointed by that ruling, Depp or Heard can then take the matter to the state's Supreme Court. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.